of Commerce, and I did study Bachelor of Commerce and graduated with honors degrees in finance. During my time, I got employment with a bank even before I completed my university exams in 1987. I worked in the bank for about 19 years before I realized that I went to the wrong faculty when I had gone to study finance. As a bank manager, by the way, today I can confess, I was only working and keeping other people's money, very honestly and very faithfully for 20 years. My turning point came when I had occasion as a credit bank manager. I had to sign a check to pay an advocate who had done bank work, and that check literally annoyed me. And I said, even if I worked the whole of my life in the bank, I would never be paid that kind of money. And with that, with a wife and children, I carried my bags and went back to school to study law around 1998. And I did graduate with a bachelor's degree in law around 2002, I think 2002, 2004. In 2004, I became an advocate of the High Court of Kenya and a member of the Law Society of Kenya, where my senator was an able chair. I have worked as an advocate and done a few cases worth mentioning, and I want to say that I've lived my dream of getting as big a check because of my legal practice, as big, not only as big a check as the one I had written, but maybe 10 times bigger than what annoyed me to go back to school. And therefore, since you are our children in school, I have purposed as Member of Parliament of West Mogrango